Hello, welcome to Distant Mathematics. In this video, we are solving the equation on the screen. So let's start. Now, this is radical equation and it doesn't follow the normal form. So you need to do a lot of manipulation. Okay, so let u be equal to the cube root of x and then v equal to the cube of 1 minus x. Let's rewrite the above equation. So we have the cube of x squared plus 2 times the cube of 1 minus x all squared is equal to 3 times the cube root of, here let's bring x out so that we are going to have 1 minus x. Okay, per this substitution we are going to have that u be equal to that, so which means that u cube be equal to x, and then here v cube be equal to 1 minus x. When you take the cube on, you keep both sides. So we are going to have this equation. The cube x, that is u raised to the power 2 plus 2 times the cube of v, or v is v cube all raised to the power 2, which is equal to 3 times the cube root of x is u cube times 1 minus x is v cube, so that we can rewrite this one as u by indices 3 times 2 all raised to the power 1/3 the cube root plus 2 times, so once again v raised to the power 6 raised to the power 1/3 equal to 3 times u cube v cube all raised to the power 1/3. So here the 3 will go into 6 2 times, same thing here. Here, these 3 will cancel all of them. U cube, v cube, all cube can be written as u all cube raised to the power 1/3, which now let's simplify. So you have squared plus 2v squared is equal to 3. Let's move everything to the left hand side. So you have u squared minus 3u plus 2v squared is equal to 0. This is quadratic in u, and so we can factorize. And when we do that, we have u squared minus plus 2v squared. So we have out the common factor u minus 2v out u v. So we have u minus v times u minus 2v equal to 0. If when it happens that way, say that u minus v equal to 0 or u minus 2 0. Here when u minus v is equal to 0, it implies that u is equal to over here. Okay, and we said that x is equal to u cube from the initial substitution. So for u is equal to v, we can say that x is equal to v cube, and then when we come here, u for is equal to, can also say that x is equal to cube. So x will be 8 v cube, but we made a substitution that v cube is equal to 1 minus x. So we come back here and then find the value of x. If that is the case for here, it implies that the first part x will be equal to 1 minus x. The v cube is equal to x, so that we have x is equal to 1 minus x. So let's add x to both sides, so that we have x plus x equal to 1, 2x equal to 1, x will be 1, 2. So the second part, x is equal to 8v cube. V cube is 1 minus x. This implies that x is equal to 8 times 1 minus x, since v cube is equal to 1 minus x from the substitution. So let's expand. X is equal to 8 minus 8x. So we can put them together. X plus 8x equal to 8. 9x equal to 8. Divide both sides by 9. So x will be 8 on 9. Therefore, the value of x is either 1 or 2 or 8 online. Viewers, thank you very much. If you are watching me for the first time and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on your notification button so that anytime I upload the video, wherever you are, alerted. Bye.